Guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to stop support assist background apps in desktop PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to stop support assist background apps in desktop PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly start, type your setting, click on settings, click on privacy, click on background apps. Here option support assist. So if you want to disable or turn off, select off position. That is. So as this is very simple and easy method if you want to stop support assist background apps in your desktop PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video workful or not. Thank you for watching this video.